I'm headed to the beach, and I decided I don't want to wear short hair. So we're gonna switch it up. This is Palm Springs Blonde, and the style is Ignite, but I'm gonna switch it up and wear Spotlight, and the color tone is 1688. Now what's different about these two is this Spotlight Elite has a hand-tied top, and this is the inside, so you can see it's really, really see-through. You can see my hands. And on the Ignite, still a very comfortable, breathable top, but just a little bit tighter, right? So let's put on Spotlight Elite. And since we're going to the beach, I just wanted to look a little more girly, a little more fun. So put her on like normal. We're gonna adjust the hairline. All right, this has become my, I think, all-time favorite. Here we go. A little part here. I love the hairline on this number. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. So not much to do. I washed her yesterday, and I'll do a video on how I wash my girls, but beautiful hairline. Looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. Sometimes if the lace comes up a little bit, you just adjust it, because it may need to be adjusted in the back. What do you think? Spotlight Elite in the shade 1688. And this is one I thought I was going to return. Can you believe it? I'm so glad I didn't. So many compliments on her, and I just love, 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 love. She really looks natural, and I love the curl pattern. It's just wavy. Have a great day.